Are you dealing with headaches, maybe tension headaches, migraines, cluster headaches, hormonal headaches, sinus headaches, or just headaches that just don't seem to go away? And you've been doctor to doctor to try to figure out what's wrong with you. You've taken every test under the sun, the CTs, the MRIs, the blood tests, everything comes back normal, inconclusive. They tell you have headaches or migraines, and they give you a list of different medications to take that don't actually get to the root cause. They just mask up the symptoms sometimes, and you maybe will feel better for a little while, but it always comes back. Most of the times there's an area of your neck that's been overlooked and it's causing all these symptoms. There's a very important bone called C1 or atlas. It's the first bone underneath your skull, and it sits and supports the weight of your skull and houses something called the brainstem that runs right through this hole here. When this top bone has been jarred and shifted out of place, it irritates all of the musculature, the soft tissue, and the nerves in the surrounding region, leading to referral of pain to the head and many times migraines or headaches. There's something called the trigeminal nucleus. It sits inside of this little bone here, and when this little bone has been jarred out of place, it can happen from car accidents, whiplash injuries, sports injuries, slips and falls. And sometimes these symptoms don't just happen right after the injury happened. They manifest over 10, 20, 30, 40 years, and you end up in this position where you're dealing with chronic pain, and you need to get to the root cause of it so that you can correct it and resolve the symptoms. And many times it comes from this top bone, atlas or C1. You need to find an upper cervical chiropractor. What we do is we take a 3D scan of the head and the neck. It shows us exactly the positioning of this top bone. It shows us if there is a misalignment that could be potentially irritating nerves in that region. It allows us to make gentle corrections to this bone to realign the structural misalignment, allowing the body to resolve the irritation on nerves, and then the symptoms will resolve with that. So if this is you, schedule a free consultation at our office,